I'm going to show you this morning how to make a beautiful spring tonic with things right off your lawn. They're all on your lawn right now. The first thing that we're going to use is wild violet. Wild violet is full of vitamins. Wild violet has vitamin C, like oranges, and vitamin A, like spinach. The flowers are edible, and the leaves are edible. Here's the leaves. Right here's the leaves. They're full of nutrition, of vitamins. Wild violet is used for inflammation and so many things. So I'm going to teach you this morning how to make a beautiful wild violet tonic with a few other things in it. I've got a couple dandelions. I took off the green part. I just have this. And then I put some clover in here too. So it's wild violet, flower, leaf, stem, a few of the dandelions, and clovers. So what I'm going to do is put them into this bottle right here. I'm going to macerate them a little bit and break them up just so I can, when I cut them up, it releases the essential oils. I'm going to give it a little cut. Maybe I'll just do it in the bowl here. Cut them up a little bit. This is releasing the essential oils. Now, I'll put a list in the bottom what wild violet does. You guys will be amazed at the medicinal values of this beautiful little violet that's on your lawn right now. And dandelions, we know what they do. They're full of nutrition. And then also the clover. The clover is wonderful. Full of a natural estrogen. So all these things together are going to make a beautiful morning spring tonic tea for me. Load it with vitamin C and vitamin A. So we're going to put some into the bottle here. I'm just making a tea for myself, so it's not a big one. I'm going to save some because I'm going to show you something else. So I'm going to add my hot water to it. That's about enough for my tea. I'm going to cap it. So I'm going to let this steep for about 20 minutes. And this is going to be my morning tea, my spring tonic. Next, we're going to put the rest of these wild violets, a little bit of dandelion in there. I just want to show you what it does once you add some lemon to it. So I'm going to add some more hot water. Maybe a little bit more. And you can see that it's a clear color. I'm going to add some lemon juice to it. Now the lemon juice will activate the violet, and this little tea will actually go purple. Maybe I'll put some in this one too. As you can see, it's going really green right now. Isn't it beautiful? It's changing. It's green. Watch what happens when I add the lemon juice to it. Cap it. It's going to start to turn a pinkish color. It's starting now. It takes a little bit. I'll put some pictures in after it's steeped, so you can see the color that it turns to. It's starting to turn like a pinkish color right now. You see that, guys? So go out onto your lawn, grab some wild violet, a couple dandelions, and some clover. Make yourself a beautiful morning tonic. Just gorgeous. See how it's turning like a pinkish color? After a bit, if I put more lemon in it, it would go purple. That's the medicinal.